Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be guiding you through the process of installing and setting up the Browse AI extension. So let's get started. First, click the link in the description below to open up the Browse AI website. Once the page is loaded, you'll find a login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, you can easily create a new account by signing up. You also have the option to use your Google account for a quicker login process. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to the Browse AI homepage. Next, we need to open the Chrome Web Store. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, there's a search bar located above the word Extensions in blue. Type in Browse AI and press Enter. From the search results, click on the second option titled Browse AI Fast Web Scraping and Monitoring. Then click the Add to Chrome button and select Add Extension. This will take you to the Browse AI webpage. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Browse AI extension. Now let's set it up so you can create your robot. Choose the option on the right side of the page. You may notice that the Start Monitoring Task button is not clickable at the moment. To make it clickable, we need to retrieve a store link. To do this, go back to the Chrome Web Store, copy the link of the store, and then paste it into the origin URL link bar on the Browse AI page. With the button now clickable, go ahead and click on Start Recording Task. A new window will appear with 3 steps to complete before you can train your robot. Moving on to step 2, click the Grant Permission button and select Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Then click on Open Extension Settings to access the extension settings page. In the settings page, locate the Allow in Incognito option and make sure it is activated. This will ensure that the extension functions properly in incognito mode. Now, return to the Browse AI page, and you'll notice a message below the Start Recording Task button that says the extension has been successfully set up. You can now start recording tasks by clicking on this button. And there you have it! You've successfully installed and set up the Browse AI extension. If you're interested in learning how to monitor websites for changes, we have the perfect step-by-step guide just for you. Check out our tutorial, Monitor Websites for Changes, in the description below. It'll teach you all the practical steps in an easy-to-understand way. Don't forget to click on the link and step up your game in the digital world. Until next time, keep learning and exploring. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.